Dodge Challenger. How is it? How does it handle? How does it feel? What does it do? Who am I? How you doing? Tom the Road here, back again for another episode of Bloke Review, and today I am outside the wonderful Michael A Laundry and I am going to be reviewing this. Well, is it fantastic? Is it rubbish? The Dodge Challenger. Let's do first impressions, because what do first impressions do, kids? First impressions count. Let's review the Dodge Challenger based on its first impressions. So first impressions, I can see that the Dodge has the name Challenger written on the front. It looks quite mean. That's what you want from a muscle car. It looks angry. It looks like it's seen a few things or two. It looks really nice parked outside Michael A Laundry. How did the tyres respond to being kicked? Really well. Not even nothing happening there. That's fine. How does the paint respond to being stroked? It's a really smooth paint job, grey, almost greeny grey. I can't really work my finger on it. I know it's bluey grey, it's the green of my glasses. It's a V6 engine, I can tell you that for free. Let's do the screenshot. I want to get the screenshot. Okay, why don't we just get inside the driver's side? Wrong side, I am English. We drive on the right side of the road, and by right I mean correct. And boom, we're inside. First impressions, nice. I really like it. The smell is something that really hits you at first. Yeah, smells wonderful. As the Germans say, wunderbar. Got plenty of viewing space to look out the window while you're driving. Got passenger seats, put the babies in the back. Babies can go in the back, no problems, no questions asked. I really like these first impressions that I'm getting. I'm being impressed upon and embossed almost. Electronic seats. Look at this. How far do we go? Oh, this is going pretty close. Oh, my knees are touching. Holy shit, that's really close. Holy crap. Okay, so you can drive this if you're quite small. If you're a miniature person, you can drive this. I literally can't move. I am now currently squished up against the wheel. Let's take it back. Oh, so you can move this quite far back. Hello. Nice to meet you. Let's bring myself forward. And there we go. Okay, now I'm ready for Le Mans 24. Is it good for eating in? Nothing happens. So the car drives. It's got 4 wheels. This car is American. Made by Dodge. It looks American. It feels American. When I'm in here, I want to talk American. I want to talk like a New Yorker. It probably sound ridiculous. But hey, I'm not going for any Oscars anytime soon, so hey, sue me. When you're in this car, you feel powerful. When you're in this car, the gold chain doesn't feel like it's a ridiculous thing to wear around your neck. It feels like you earned it. And baby, I earned it. My alarm's going off again. Why does my alarm always keep fucking going off? When you're in this car, you feel like $1 million. When you're in this car, you feel like you could give a fuck. Oh my God, I got peanut butter on the seat. Just sitting in this car makes you feel more alive. I feel incredibly hot right now because this car has not got the air conditioning turned on. Let's turn it on. You hear that? That's a fucking serious engine. I'm gonna stop being American now. It's got a lot of space if you're in the front. If you're in the back, very little space. But then again, who wants to take kids in this? This whole car is all about making kids and getting kids. So you have this for like, you know, your mid-20s, early 30s. Then when you get the kids, you get an SUV. These are the kind of real things that you want to know about a car. Like, screw everything else. What does a car really do? Is a car gonna help me procreate and spread my seed? Do you like laundry places as much as I do? Because they are awesome. This is... He's watching my videos. He's just subscribed to my channel. Thanks for subscribing. Michael Laundromat. It is an absolutely amazing laundromat. The man here is very helpful. They got lots of washers and dryers, so if you come, you can wash your clothes. We're not reviewing a laundromat, although we could do a review on a laundromat, and if I did, it would be this one I reviewed. Gas is so much cheaper if you're from England, or Greece. You know, if you're in Greece, you'd be like, oh, gas is basically free in the US. So what I really think it is, I think it's the romance that you can have when you're driving an American muscle car through the streets of America. I would suggest you go ahead and get one, because you know, you only live once.
Let's go and take it for a spin.
There you are, sir. Thank you very much.
Oh, don't worry about it.
No. I mean, we tip in America, don't we?
Don't worry about it. Just get me a good review. It's gonna be good.
Go to what's it called again?
Michael Laundry.
No, brilliant, Michael Laundry. All right, catch you later. I'm here with my buddy Sean. Hi, Sean.
Hello.
Yeah, he's gladly or kindly offered to be the cameraman for this part of the review, which is the driving. Let's see how this baby handles in traffic. So there's plenty of traffic out. Perfect to test the Dodge Challenger. Here we go, CarPlay, get that.
Reverse all the way home?
Yeah, we're going to reverse home. Still trying to work out how to drive in this country. There's like stop signs, make way signs, and all sorts of stuff. 15:01 on a Saturday. Perfect time, as we said, to test the Dodge Challenger. We're going to see how she handles stopping and starting, crawling. How does she handle braking at slow speeds? How does she handle, you know, sitting in traffic and being stationary? My other first impressions was that it does go quite fast. I'd say that was my second impression. Right, let's give this some speed. Let's take it out of manual, put it into sport mode. Woo-hoo-hoo. So we got to 49 miles an hour before I had to put the brakes on. As I said, we're in traffic. You've been watching my driving for a while now, Sean. How would you say I was doing, like, as a seasoned driver?
Terrible.
Terrible!
The slogan for Texas is, what is it? The safe driving state?
The safe driving state, yeah.
Something like that.
Safe. I think that might be a fabrication of yours. I'm in the wrong lane.
Oh, so here, let's just get a quick little view of this. I would call this bad driving.
What I've just done.
What he has just done here.
This is... Shut up, Sean! This is bad driving, but I didn't realise, see, I didn't...
Alright, he's forcing me to cut it.
This guy's gonna get creamed. We just absolutely destroyed that.
No chance whatsoever. Can't even see them in the behind.
These houses are ridiculous. Look at that one there. Like a glass box. These people be living the American dream up here in Texas. That's right, sir.
We have Tom going in the one-way
You get him
entrance.
all breaking the law on camera. Right, so we're gonna pop the hood. When I figure out how to pop the hood.
Generally, where would they be?
Over here usually. Aha! Pop in the hood. If I give that hood pop a 10. Found the catch. That is nice. Okay, the way it lifts up, it's got a lot of weight, but it's a hydraulic. Here we have a 3.6 V6 engine that has 3.6 litres, which means that for every mile that you do, 3 litres are in the petrol tank being consumed. If you drive, there's 3.6 litres. What does it mean, Sean?
There's nothing at all what it means.
What does it mean?
3.6 is the cubic capacity of basically how much air and fuel it can suck through the engine.
Right.
That's what an engine is. It's a vacuum pump. It sucks in air and fuel.
Huh.
Effectively, that's what it is.
You should really be doing this review.
What else have you got there?
That changes the water in the window.
Yep.
In the window wipers. Very important.
So a little thing, can I say?
Yeah.
That most manufacturers now do is they'll color code things. So you as a driver, yellow means you can touch it. Yellow, that's your oil dipstick, checking engine oil.
So anything yellow you can touch?
That is your oil filler cap.
What are they? They're in yellow.
That's just some markings from the factory, see?
So don't touch those ones.
Don't touch those ones, no.
Thanks to the US Air Force for doing a flyby for the review of this Dodge Challenger. So yeah, overall I'd say the engine is large. If you were to to not have the engine. The car wouldn't run, so pretty important. For that, I'll give the engine a 10, just for being there, the fact that it's there.
Seems to be scoring pretty high, this car.
Mate, this car, yeah, well, it's to be honest, it's the only thing I've ever... Oh, thanks, guys. Thanks for a little bit of heckling.
Couple of supporters of the show.
Couple of supporters there. They've obviously heard of Tom the Road before. Okay, so Dodge Challenger. How is it? How does it handle? How does it feel? What does it do? Who am I? Well, I'm Tom the Road, and it handles like a beauty. I handle quite well as well, but we're not talking about me, we're talking about the Dodge Challenger, and Dodge have come up with a wonderful car, and I think this car is going to be top of the market this year, 2019, moving into 2020. This is the car that we all want. As children, we all dream of. As men, we all aspire to have, because we all want kids with the most beautiful woman we can have. And this car is going to guarantee almost undisputably that you will have the most beautiful children with the most beautiful wife. You've got to get that wife first, and to get that wife, you've got to have a Dodge Challenger. Now, let's go through a couple of points on this Challenger. Paint job, great. I would give the paint job 10 out of 10. Handling, didn't really handle much because we were in traffic most of the time. So I'm going to have to give that 7. But that was mainly due to Austin's traffic being quite busy. So maybe I'll give Austin's traffic a 7. Gonna give this one a 10. Glowing review, guys. It's a great car. Sean, what do you think? Yeah, so far? Yeah, Sean's giving me 2 thumbs up. Headlights are nice and rounded. They point forward and they light the way in the road, so headlights, good 10 there. The elementary school, I will give this 10 as well. The smell of the car is great. It had a real nice smell. So let's look at the negatives. Tires. When you hit a hitch, they burst. But handling under a burst tire, it handles quite well under those conditions because I didn't die, I'm still here. And to be honest, it's just nice cruising around in the car. So I'm gonna say this car, all in all, you know, it's the only muscle car I've driven. I'm sure I'm gonna be driving a lot after this review goes virus. Yeah, I'm gonna say, give this car a 10. You don't feel like an old man when you're driving these. I felt like the last vestiges of the youth that I have remaining were brought to the forefront of my attention. If I'm honest, there's a little tingling sensation in my testicles. Thank you to Dodge for giving me the opportunity to drive your Challenger. I would like to drive this car again. Yes. Would I rent one? Yes. Would I buy one? No. Can't afford one. So yeah, we can finally close the bonnet on this review because this car is good. For a few bucks, you can drive too. With me, no, because I don't know you. Maybe I do. I don't have many subscribers, most of them are my family and friends, so maybe there is, maybe I do know you. Thanks for watching this Dodge Challenger review, and I'll see you soon.